Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to Disa City Prosperity Hub. My name is Simbid Disa. Yes, I'm gonna take you to the Earnne Hospital, the place where I came to treat all my financial problems. Yes, today I'll walk you step by step inside the Earnne app. How and I'll show you how I earn my cool money just by playing games.
Earn allows me to watch sponsored videos and short content. After watching for the required time, I receive rewards. You can see this is where I read my books. I learn, so I read books and I get paid for anything I do. So it feels like upgrading my skills while upgrading my income. So this is the knowledge laboratory, the reading recovery room. So it offers learning skills and short courses. After completing lessons or quizzes, I get paid. So I'm improving my knowledge and earning at the same time. I complete reading tasks inside the app, follow the instructions, and receive rewards, guys. This is perfect if you enjoy reading or want a quiet way to earn. Please, the link is in my description to get started, okay? Gaming search sessions. I play games. This is perfect if you enjoy reading or you want a quiet way to earn, to play games. You can see all the kind of games. You have different kind of games here. You can see them, different types. I play any one I wish. So you can just use your spare time to play and you make money. I hope you understand better. So it's very simple. So very successful. Yes, after completing tasks, games, videos, courses and reading, my balance increases. Even survey. Once I reach the payout threshold, I withdraw my earnings and just like being discharged from my hospital. So I hope you understand. It's not really that easy. So that's my full Earnne Hospital walkthrough. I'm showing you. You can see this is also my learning laboratory. I'm showing you everything. I can watch. So you can see social media marketing, tax simple, everything you can see here. I learned so many things that I'm not even aware of. This is where I learn, and I'm not just learning for fun. I learn and make money. If you're looking for simple ways to earn online, guys, by playing games, watching videos, learning and reading, this platform might help you. Check the link in my description to join. Check the link. Okay, I'm very sure you won't regret this. Right now, like this now, I'm just being discharged. I'm just feeling the fat. Yes, ha. Can't regret though. See everything. Social media marketing. Look at hits. Just watch. You can see. Very simple. You're not paying any time. You're not paying any money. So I'm improving my knowledge. I'm learning. I'm improving my knowledge. I'm learning at the same time. It offers learning tasks and short quizzes. You can see everything. You can see. You can see. You can see. So I don't need to lie to you. It really pays. So I've tried different types and I believe this is the best. There's nothing like you need to refer so many people before you get paid or then start need to disturb you this blah blah blah. No, you don't need to go through all that stress at all. Look at once you finish doing all those tasks you get your reward. You receive your money. So there's nothing like I want to withdraw my money. That's the problem. They exhausted my data. There's nothing like exhausting of data. There is nothing. Before I can make out this video, I took my time. I can see my withdrawal discharge units. So please subscribe. Thank you.